Here we are graphing the polynomial function of the exercise, and well, I already made my some advance, but I tell you how to do it. First, we have to get the degree. The degree in here will be 3 because we have 2x from this parenthesis and 1x from here, and we add them and it is degree 3. The sign of the leading coefficient, this by this is positive and by this it will be positive, but in here we have a negative sign, so it means at the end it will be negative because positive times negative is negative. The next thing to do is that if the leading coefficient is negative, it should be and let's see, it is an odd number. Well, it's a degree, an odd degree, so it means it will start like this and then like this. So the next thing is to get the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 0 equals to, well, each one of them, x minus 2 and x plus 3 squared. So in here the y-intercept is, for example, 0 times 0, 0, and 0 times 3, 0, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have in here 9 and minus 2 in here. Minus 2 times 9 is minus 18, times the minus that is in here, it would be positive 18. So we have, when x is equal to 0, y would be 18. This is my y-intercept. The next is the x-intercept. This is easier. X-intercepts are the minus 2, but it is multiplied by a negative, so it would be plus 2. So it would be 2, and the other is minus 3. Why? Because we have a 3 and a minus in the original equation, so it will be minus 3. And this has multiplicity 2 because we have to remember here is in a square. And this is multiplicity 1. So the next thing we have to do is to graph. It's easy when you have already the x-intercepts, y-intercept, etc. So the first thing we have to do is to put 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 10, 15. So we put 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So we already got the y-intercept that it is 0, 18 in y. So here is 0, 18 y-intercept. The next one is the x-intercept. X-intercept is 2 because, well, we remember x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 3, but this is multiplicity squared. So we have the 2 positive and the negative 3. So we have we remember how it starts, so we start like that, and it has multiplicity 2, so we have to make it bounce because it is uneven. So it is like this, it bounces, then it has to go to the y-intercept and it bounces because no, it it kind of reach his maximum, and then it has to return to touch again, but it has to touch the 2, and it will pass the 2. So in here it accomplished the rule that it has to end and start like this. And look that it is smooth and continuous. It's not separated, it's not a peak, it's not